Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at the supplement SynoCell via the site The Pain Report to find out, is it legit or a scam? SynoCell is marketed as a powerful natural joint and pain relief supplement, claiming to reduce inflammation, rebuild cartilage, and restore mobility. But our research uncovers concerning red flags. Trusted review sites say the supposed Dr. Kyle Stevenson endorsement appears fabricated. Independent investigations reveal major complaints. Many users say the product does not work. Return-refund policies are murky, and ingredients delivered may differ from those advertised. A scam report filed via the Better Business Bureau describes classic warning signs: high-pressure sales, unclear shipping, and unverifiable credentials. While some ingredients, like boswellia, glucosamine, could offer mild support in joint health, the exaggerated claims and suspect marketing make the risk high. Verdict: SynoCell is very likely a scam, or at best, highly overhyped. If you try it, proceed with caution and set realistic expectations. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Always do your research and consult a healthcare provider before buying supplements like this.